Hello guys, Times here, welcome to a new video, and today we have another unboxing, and this time it's a HomeKit related one because we have the brand new 3rd generation Eve room. Okay, so this device has been around for a long time. As I said, this is the 3rd generation. It came out last December. The 2nd generation looks exactly the same, but the 1st generation was quite different. What's the main difference with this 3rd generation one is that it's thread capable. So thread is this new technology for smart homes. It's like this new standard for Apple, Google, Samsung, and many others. And it's good because it's future proof. Also, the next standard, which is Matter, will be built on thread. So as I said, very future proof. And yeah, so some of the main features is that it has better battery life, more reliability in the network and everything. But yeah, enough of the boring stuff. Now let's crack this open. And actually I'm going to need something cutting. But before, yeah, you can set rules and other things. It has a rechargeable battery. That's something I don't really like. You have to charge this one every 6 weeks because the air quality measurement takes up a lot of battery, but it will let you know how much battery you have and stuff. This is the back of the box. Yeah, very marketed towards protecting your family of the hazards of the air and stuff. This is the Eve app, which we'll probably take a look at. And yeah, designed in Germany, and that's it. So now, let's open it. Okay, so I got myself some scissors, because it's the only cutting thing that I have laying around. I'm gonna go down to the kitchen, open here, there we go, and then let's put this safely away, and then let's open this and those, and I don't want to break it. I've broken some of these boxes before. Yeah, after you open an Apple box, to be honest, everything else feels bad. Okay, here we are. Okay, so this we can throw away. And here it is. Oh, it's so tiny, so cute. I thought it was way bigger. I'm gonna hide the HomeKit code and show you. It's so tiny, look at it, like it's pretty much just a bit bigger than an Apple Watch. The screen is, I think, smaller than an Apple Watch. That's crazy. Okay, oh, it's so tiny. I thought it was way bigger. Like, look at it. It's so tiny. But okay, we have also the HomeKit code back here. Here's the charging port, which sadly is micro USB. They could have used this new generation to make it USB-C. That would have been very good. And speaking of charging, that's something we need to do, because as you can see, it has no battery. But before we do that, let's see, happily connected. Yeah, some general info, warranty, something else here. Oh, that's it. Oh. Okay, so every single thing that we get is the cable and the sensor. It's great. Okay, so I'll put it to charge, and then we'll continue with the video and see how to set it up and everything. Okay, so false alarm. This came with some charge, actually like 50% according to this. It just plugged it in and it turned on automatically. Should last about 3 weeks. Yeah, so we can see it automatically started picking up the temperature, but not the air quality. Then the first thing we're gonna do, which I probably should have done before, is pair this with HomeKit. Okay, so as usual, we'll go in the Home app and then tap plus. So yeah, the accessory. Then, oh, you can see my setup here. Scan the code. We got it, sensor, add to home. Exactly, connected to sensor. Hopefully there's no issues here. Okay, so we're back, and as you can see, I managed to add it to the Home app, and we have the 3 different tiles here. I don't like that they do not appear there like properly. If I go to rooms, yeah, still no. So we can only see the temperature and air quality, I mean humidity, but that might be because it hasn't captured any air quality readings yet. I'm not sure why, but it hasn't. And yeah, so going back to the review, we have different views that we can put on the screen itself. The screen is a ink display, which is very good because you don't really need a huge amount of screen quality and resolution for this. Oh, it captured the first air quality reading. Great. Okay, so yeah, so we can switch between different things. Here we have the humidity in small, the temperature in big, and the air quality with the stars. Then we can change it to air quality in big, and then temperature and humidity in small. Okay, so this 50% is not the battery, is the humidity. Never mind. The battery you can see from the home app. Yeah, then we have the 3 in the same size, and oh, okay, the humidity in big, and then back to the temperature in big. I think I'm between this one and the 3 in the same size, this one. I'll probably stick with the temperature in big though. But yeah, so now that we have a reading for the air quality, that's the first one it's captured. Let's go back to the home map, see if we can see it from there. Oh, we can, so that's great. It says excellent, which is great. Okay, so knowing all this is very good, but what makes it even better is that now we can do automations with it. So if I go to plus, add automation, sensor detects something. Okay, so we can take, for example, the temperature sensor, that to be honest is what I'm most interested in. And we'll say, okay, if the temperature drops below 24 degrees and I'm home, when I am home at any time, then, and I don't have anything, I should buy a power outlet to put in the heating, so I could turn it off. That's very convenient. I like that one. Okay, you could also, so not here, but in the Eve app, if you have one of the Eve drum window and you have it connected to the window, you can also set it so if the window is open, it won't turn on the heating. So that's very convenient. And we can also do automations with the air quality sensor. If you by any chance have HomeKit enabled windows, then please let me know in the comments, because I want to know how they are and how much they cost. But yeah, you could do that. Or even if you have an air purifier, to be fair, yeah, that's better. Humidity sensor, similar for a dehumidifier. But yeah, what I'm most interested in, honestly, is the temperature sensor and also the readings. So now the cool thing is that you can also ask Siri for the temperature or the humidity or the air quality in your room, which is pretty good. Which, yeah, to be fair, it might be a bit hot in my room, right? For 28 degrees. I'll open the window a little bit and see if it changes. But yeah, other than that, I think this is gonna be everything for this video, because I don't really have much more to show you. But if you do have any questions or any concerns or any suggestions or questions or anything about this little device right here, please let me know down below in the comments and I will do my best to answer, especially if you're planning on picking one up but you're not sure if something, then drop below and I will do my best to answer. Also, if you like Apple, don't hesitate in subscribing, because I upload Apple videos, so you would be happy. And also, if you like this video, please thumbs up. And if you didn't, please thumbs down and let me know in the comments what you didn't like and how I can improve for the next video. But yeah, that's gonna be everything from me today. A bit of a chaotic video, not gonna lie. But yeah, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.